So right here, I'll be teaching you how to enhance your Wamp server to function with your WordPress. Alright, so in this section, we'll be learning how to increase the upload maximum file size, the post maximum size, and the maximum execution time. Alright, let me give you a practical example. Let's log into the dashboard of our first project. So let's go to our browser here. So right /project1/wp admin. Alright, so let's go to our notepad to fill that. We'll grab our username here, Ctrl C, Ctrl V here, grab our password, Ctrl C, Ctrl V here. Alright, then we'll log in. Alright, now it's going to take us to the dashboard of our first project. If we hover our mouse to media and we click on library, right, it's going to take us to our media library. Our media library is a place that displays all the media files we have stored in our database. Take for instance, we might have uploaded images, videos, PDFs, and the likes. This is the place where we see all of that. Alright, now let's assume we want to add a new media file. We'll click on add new. Alright, now it's going to take us to this place. If we click on select file, it's going to take us to our storage system where we select the file we want to upload. But right below that, you are going to see that there is a maximum upload file size set to 2 MB. What it simply means is that if we upload any file that is greater than 2 MB, we are going to be flagged error. Right, so right here we are going to be learning how to increase the maximum upload file size from 2 MB to something greater than that. Alright, so we also learn how to increase the post maximum size and the maximum execution time. So there are two methods of doing this. The first is the old method and the second is the latest method. Alright, if the latest method doesn't work for you, you can use the old method, but it's recommended that you stick with the latest method for this training. Alright, so how do we do this using the old method? It's very simple. You go to your file explorer here, you open your file explorer, you click on this PC. Alright, then you open your local disk. Then you locate the folder called Wamp. You open your Wamp folder. Then you locate a folder called bin. You open the bin folder. You open the PHP folder. Right here, you are going to select the right PHP version that is running on your Wamp server. If you don't know the right PHP version running on your Wamp server, it's very simple. You come to your icon tree here. You hover your mouse to your Wamp icon. Then right here, you are going to left click. Alright. Now, right here, you will see the PHP version you are running on your Wamp server. You can see here, I'm running PHP 7.3.12 on my Wamp server. So after checking that, you come down to this place and you open the right folder. So right here, I'm going to open the folder called PHP 7.3.12. Alright. Now, when you are in this place, you are going to locate a file called php.ini or php.ini development. Alright. So I'll scroll down here. Right here, you can see this is php.ini development. I'm going to double click on this to open. Alright, now it's going to ask me the program I want to use to open this file. So I'm going to uncheck this. I'll select notepad. I'll click on OK here. Alright, then I will expand this. Alright, I scroll down here. Scroll down here. Right here, we can see that the post maximum size is set to 8 MB. We can adjust all of this. Alright, if we scroll down further, you're going to see the upload maximum file size is set to 2 MB. So right here, you can change this to 256 MB. After that, you're going to press the shortcut Ctrl S to save your changes. Alright, but I don't want to use this method. I'm going to close this. Don't save. Close this. Now, if you're using the old method, it's recommended that after doing all of that, you come back to your icon tray here. You hover your mouse to the Wamp icon. Then right here, you are going to right click. You're not going to left click this time around. You right click and you're going to refresh the Wamp server. Alright, so the Wamp server is going to reload to effect your changes. Alright, so basically that's a way of doing this using the old method. Alright, now to do this using the latest method is very simple. Alright, you come back to your icon tree here. You hover your mouse to the Wamp icon. So right here, you are going to left click. Alright, then you hover your mouse to the PHP, you slide to PHP settings. So right here, you're going to make adjustment to all of these settings. You can see this is the upload maximum file size set to 2 MB. I can increase this to 64. Now the good news about this is that the latest method is going to automatically refresh your Wamp server. Right, so let's go back to our browser here. You can see it's still set to 2 MB. Let's reload this. Then let's click on add new. You can see it has been changed to 64 MB. Right, so let's go back to our Wamp server here. Let's click here. move our mouse to PHP, we slide to PHP settings. Alright, now right here you can see this is the maximum execution time is set to 120. You can change this to 182.40 or something greater than that. Alright, now there's a little heads up here. The little heads up here is that the upload maximum file size works in hand with the post maximum size. What this simply means is that the upload maximum file size should not be greater than the post maximum size. Alright, if the post maximum size is 64 megabytes, the upload maximum file size should not be greater than 64 megabytes. It's better to leave the post maximum size value greater than the upload maximum file size. Alright, so basically here, these are the ways to enhance your Wamp server to function with your WordPress. In the next session, we'll be looking at how to fix Wamp server errors. Right, so see you at the next section.